everyone, welcome to the day one of our Simply Stated Design Christmas Advent 2025. So let's see what the first day of Advent brings. Okay. All right. Now, let me get you at a better position here and zoom in so you don't miss a thing. Okay. So now these, which hides the goodies, that's a great photo mat. So make sure you keep that. And look at what we have here. Look at these beautiful Christmas balls. They're gorgeous. I love the black and white and the Harlequin, the black and white checkerboard. Look at that. That's incredible. Wow. One thing I love about Chantel is she gives you many different sizes. So whether you're making a little gift tag or a card or a scrapbook page, you've got multiple sizes to enjoy. So no matter what you're making, you're going to find a Christmas ornament here that will work for your project. Oh, she just is such an incredible designer. I just love her stuff. And it looks so real, like the shine on the ribbon and on the berries. You'd swear you were looking at a real piece of holly. Gingerbread house, and a very large gingerbread house. Wow, what a great day one. That is how to start an advent calendar. Okay, everyone, thanks for stopping in for our Simply Stated Christmas Advent 2025 day one. And I hope you'll come back and join me tomorrow for day two. And in the meantime, have an incredibly crafty day. La la.